Poppy.
Hey, guy.
You still messing with it?
Yeah.
Gio. Man, what's wrong with it, man?
Got a little lemon for you, man.
That's crazy. It ain't no lemon now. Don't say that. So how clean this thing is.
Bro, lizard lives
What's the
in
problem,
here somewhere.
Gio?
There's a lizard living in here somewhere.
Is it living somewhere?
Nah, there's a lizard in here somewhere.
Oh, a lizard?
Yeah.
They said, damn, lizard in there?
It's sitting for like 6 months. Type shit.
That 450, that's crazy though, with that 450.
Yeah.
All right.
I changed the starter on that shit. I put a brand new OEM Yamaha starter in there.
So that's an OEM. That's still new, like you said, right?
The CDI box to change this shit.
That's an OEM CDI box?
Yeah.
Or is it
Brand new.
aftermarket?
Nah, that shit is
You sure?
sure.
You positive now?
Positive.
All right.
I got this here.
Damn, this man came with all his parts.
Shit.
This man came with all his parts, man.
Ordinary shit.
Yeah, you on point.
I
For
got
real.
the battery I told me to order. I got the spark plug. I got 3 just in case some shit blow. I got 3 plugs. Yeah, I got 3 things.
More than pretend.
This for the blaster. So I need the air filter intake installed. I
the
couldn't
blast
put both of them on there because it's too big. And then me and this nigga we were already struggling to get this big ass shit on there. We were already struggling to get that big ass shit on there. So.
Yeah, I forgot about it. I just seen this one. I'm like, oh, he. Shit, okay.
Yes, sir.
But that's the only thing with that, though.
Yeah, I don't know. What the fuck is leaking? Whoa.
That's water.
Yeah, that's
But like you said, it's not locked up, though, right?
And then during the process of unloading the bike, I broke this bitch.
You broke that unloading it?
Yeah, I don't know how the fuck that fell out.
Yeah, it had screws, right?
Nah, I took the bar off and I put it on my 250 because I was working on that shit.
Oh.
You know, putting in a little work because I don't have this.
But the 250 good.
I was beating that bitch up. It's fucked up now because I beat it up too much.
So what's wrong with it?
You know, it just won't turn off.
Bro, I think you just hard on bikes, Gio. It's you, bro. You hard on bikes. Yeah, it gotta be you. Like,
Might be. You gotta get that KTM running for me too. I'm trying
you
to
still
set
got that?
up.
That's crazy, man. Collect every bike, something wrong with the Gio. Put that work in.
Like, hey, I be letting these lemon ass niggas ride my shit.
Oh yeah, you gotta keep the lemons off your bike, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep them on the 250.
Yeah, put them on the practice bike, bro.
Beginners.
Gotta keep them off the real, like, good machines.
And I remember you changed I got a whole new gasket kit. Remember you changed that shit for me and everything?
Yeah.
Brand new, the piston was looking clean and everything.